Hello, my name is Jorge Quintanar. I am making this short video to explain the bucket sort algorithm and walk through an example step by step. Um, Sorting is a very common problem in computer science. We're given a list of numbers and we want to put them in an order from from smallest to largest. There are many ways uh, to do this, like bubble sort or merge sort or quick sort. Bucket sort is a little different, but it works well when the data is spread out over an identified range. Bucket sort is sort of a divide and conquer style algorithm. The main idea is that we create several buckets, which are just groups or containers or arrays. We drop each number into the appropriate bucket based on its value. And then we sort the numbers inside each bucket. And then finally, we join all the buckets together in order. If the numbers are spread out evenly, this can be very efficient. Um, so let's write up an example um, with a set of numbers between 0 and 99. So there will be 29, 3, 62, 21, 4, 10, 59, 77, 15, and 28. Um, so we'll use 10 buckets, each with a range of 10. So bucket 0. Sorry, let me zoom out. So okay. So bucket 0, bucket 0 will have a range of numbers 0 to 9. Um, Bucket 1 will have a range of numbers uh, 10 to 19. Bucket 2 will have numbers uh, 20 to 29, and so on and so on. Um, the- um, a simple way to choose the bucket is um, sorry, bucket index is equal to the value of the number divided by 10. Um, so step one, we create 10 empty buckets. So let's do um, bucket 0 right here. Bucket 1 right here. bucket two right here, bucket three right here, bucket four right here, bucket five, 7, 8, bucket 9, and bucket 10. Okay, so now we'll go through the original list and put each number into its respective bucket. The list is above. So 29 would go into bucket 2 because 29 divided by 10 is 2. 3 would go into bucket 0 because 3 divided by 10 is decimal. So it would be 0 point something. Um, so 3 goes there. 62 goes to bucket 6. 21 goes to bucket 2. 4 goes to bucket 0. 10 goes to bucket 1. Oh, 59 goes to bucket 5. 77 goes to bucket 7. 15 goes to bucket 1. And 28 goes to bucket 2. Okay, so now that the buckets are full, we sort them. Um, Insertion sort or a built-in function would do this automatically. Um, but we would also need to sort the order in which um, the numbers are inside the bucket. So after sorting, the buckets remain in that order, except for, sorry, I put 29. I forgot the 9. Except for bucket 2, it would be rewritten as it would be written as 21, 28, and 29. Then we would go through all the buckets and join them all together. So our sorted list would be 3, 4, 10, 15, 21, 28, 29, 59, 62, and 77. And that is our original list, but now in the order from smallest to largest. To summarize bucket sort, it's fairly simple. You decide how many buckets you need and what range each bucket should cover. Then you distribute each element into the correct bucket, sort the elements inside each bucket, and then put the buckets in order. And then you will have your range of data and in the order from smallest to largest. And that is all I have. Thank you.